my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's still your baby girl Arrest NK Farm Life. You're welcome back to my channel. So if this is the first time of coming across my video, please guys don't forget to like, comment, share, and also on your notification bell so you will always be notified whenever I post a new video. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this very easy hairstyle, just like my title. I said is the easiest hairstyle you can go to, because guys, I made this morning to a school day and it's so easy to make, just like my title. That's so like you guys know I already started the hair. I'm going to start the hair on a clean fresh hair, as you already know. So this was me. I just parted the hair into 4 segments, and for this hairstyle guys, I'll be using this KIKI braid. I did not have the pack because it's my like I've used the pack and trace. It was just KIKI expression KIKI braid. That was what I used for this hairstyle. Yes guys, so it's when I mean that this hair is so easy. I just parted this hair into 6 segments as demonstrated in the video shown earlier on. So at this point, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you have been waiting for. Please guys, do well to like, comment, share my video, and on your notification bell so you will always be notified whenever I post my video. And if you are returning subscribers, you are the odogo of them all. Thank you so much. Thank you for sticking with this baby girl, and thank you for your support, for all your help. Thank you very much. Believe me guys, it's not over exaggeration that I keep hammering how this hair was easy to make. Could you believe that this hair was made on a morning to rescue day? Like the previous hair she was carrying was so old and tattered, and I needed to change it. I don't want my baby girl to look very unkempt. That's why I came up with this hair. So easy, it was very easy, and the hair was pre-done overnight. Like I packed the 6 pattern overnight, so that was it came so easy, like just I have finished. Okay guys, let me just come back. I know that most of you must be wondering what is as a Nigerian, it means very fast. Yes, so I know, like I can't overemphasize on how easy this thing was made. So it was painless, it was easy, it was everything you can think of. So I hope for you to try this on your baby girl's hair and come back to thank me later. So guys, I don't know, I keep hammering on it. That is why having to subscribe to my channel. Please do well to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please, and refer a friend to tell a friend. Alright guys, let me leave you to watch the end of the video with our normal gist. So our normal gist is, in my last video I made a post about something about inspiration and a motivation. So it just came to me that I should just be doing this in my every video that I post here. So I just put it to myself to make a post about, to make a motivational speak about in each of my video. So until those motivational words is, strongest people make time to help others even if they are struggling with their problem. I will take that again. Strongest people make time to help others even if they are struggling with their own problem. This message might sound so easy that you say, what is there? But I just put it to you to just comprehend on it and know whether you are that strongest person that still creates time. If with your own problem, you still create time for others. And I would love to see your message on my comment section. You're taking this, whether you are stronger, whether you can do it or you cannot do it. I love you guys. You can keep watching my video to the end. So as we have come to the end of the video, we are back to the hair video now. So it's just time for the hair accessories. We are going to just use hair accessory. You guys know my take in this hair accessory. If you are not going to put hair accessory on baby girl's hair, that hair is going to look as dull as anything you can think of. So it was just us with the hair accessory, pinning up, pinning out, pinning down, and hula. Our hair is ready. See my baby girl dressed for school and looking yummy on her hairstyle. Thank you guys for watching my video, and please do well to like, comment, share my video, on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post my video. Bye bye.